Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today, before I will start a new chapter about timer, or new topics about timer, I will create an application that consists to manipulate more advanced topics about Seekbar and ListView. So the goal of the application, I have a list view that contains a list of numbers, and this list contains the multiplication between 1 to 10. Okay, and the position of Seekbar determine which number will make the multiplication to get the result. So let's start to get this up. So here I have my list view. The first thing I added Seekbar. Okay, let's get there. And this one I will move it to a button to have some space to add the Seekbar. So we go to XML. It's very easy with XML. But it's very long. I don't know what's my computer have. Okay, so margin top, I will give him here 50, and now I can have a space. Where is my cursor? It's very long. What's the problem with the computer now? Yes, it's very long. Okay, give me the place, please. I don't know what it's okay. That's good. Now I will add the Seekbar. So the Seekbar is here. Let's add it. Okay, I will give him with match parent, and I make the margin from left and right. I don't know why my computer is very long today. So margin left, make it to 20, and the same thing for margin right. Okay, now I have Seekbar. Okay, here I have what can I call it as an ID? I can give him an ID seek position, for example, and my list view is list view. Okay, so now I will create the first thing. I will create the Seekbar inactivity because I have list view. Let's start with Seekbar. Seekbar equal find view by ID r.id.seek position. Okay. Now for the Seekbar, I will give him the maximum value. For example, I will make multiplication between 1 to 20 or to 30 as you want. So I make it to 20. So to make this, I make Seekbar dot set max to 20, the first thing, and I will give him the position by default to 5. Seekbar dot set progress to 5, for example. Okay, and now I will manage the event to control the Seekbar. So Seekbar dot set on Seekbar chain listener, new chain listener. Give me the implementation, please. Okay, and here I have some thing to add it in progress change. For example, I want to my Seekbar, the list value will be 1, not 0. Okay? I mean, if Seekbar will progress or change to the 0 position, I can't accept this. So to implement this, I just need, for example, a variable that calls minimum to start from 1. Okay? And here I will test if progress is less than min. In this case, I will add also another variable about position of Seekbar. I call it times. So here time will be equal to, be quick, please. What is the problem? Okay, we increase to minimum. Else, the position times will be equals to progress. Okay? Now it's good. So now what I want to, of course, here I don't forget to make the position of the Seekbar. Make this also position of Seekbar to block it to minimum. So I put here times. Okay, so just see now what can I have as a result. I have added this instruction because I remove it. Wait, I think I remove it to make the difference. Start again. Oh, it's very long today, my computer, I don't know why, but it is very, very long. So let's drink my cup of tea. I will start it again. Let's see. It began from 5 position and it's stuck. Stuck again. I have a problem with the memory, I think. So I will start it again. See now, as you can see, I can move my Seekbar, but I can move to the position 0. Okay, as you can see here. So now I will want to block this position to 1, not to 0. And that's what is I have added here, this instruction, Seekbar dot set progress to times or to minimum. It's the same thing. Now you will see. Let's start. Tuck. Aha, do you see? I block it to 1. Good. So now I will add now an implementation of my list view, and I will make it by default multiplication by 1. So I will make table list view from 1 to 10. How to make it? I have a list view here, my list view, and I will create my list. So the list is list of string, of course. List of string numbers equal new array list of string. Okay. Now I want to, by default, the list view will be injected from 1 to 10. So I make the loop for int I equal 1, I less or equal to 10, I plus plus. Here I will added numbers dot added, and sorry, I have forgot another variable, int multiplication equals to, by default I will make it by 4 by default. Okay, it's mere default number. So here I make I multiply by multiplication number, but I have an error because the parameter is an integer and I need a string, so I convert it to string with integer dot to string. Oops, what I have forgot. Good. Now, if you remember, I need another thing. That's an adapter. So I created array adapter string adapter. How to create it? I come back to my view. It's a new array adapter of string. What is the declaration? Yes, I need a type string, this format, and array list. So here I need this one, and the format is Android dot error dot layout dot for this, and the list view, the list items will be numbers. Okay. After this, I will add it list view, my list view dot set adapter, an adapter. Let's see now the result. As you can see, I have multiplication, but the Seekbar doesn't change with him. Okay. So now to make the Seekbar to manipulate the number of multiplication, what I want is to add this chunk of code or part of code in a method. Is the first thing, because I need it here. When progress change, I will make the same thing here, but with the progress or with times variable. So I will create a new method. I will move this part of code to new method. I will create it here. Sorry. I will call it public void create list view and here we give him an integer about times or multiplication number. What multiplication number that I will use to make the multiplication. So I'll copy here the code. I have an error because yes, list view is declared here, so I will remove it from here. I will declare it in class, first thing, and here I will remove this declaration. Is the first thing. Here I don't have need the number multiplication because I have times value parameters, so I just make it here as times. And here I just call the method with the parameter 4. It's by default. Okay, let's see if it works very well. Okay, that's good. Now I want to add the merge of Seekbar with the list view. It's very easy. Here I have on change, I have the progress with position on my Seekbar. Then when I finish to test if else, I just call the method with a parameter times. Let's see now. You will see it's very easy. Look, ta-da! Do you see? The maximum value is 20, 20, 40, and I will begin to 1. Ta-da! Good. It's very easy. Now I have finished this video, how to manipulate Seekbar with ListView. In next video, inshallah, I will show you how to implement timers with 2 ways. Thank you, brothers and sisters, to have seen this course until this moment. If you like it, like this video and the previews also. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if it's first time to see my course. I tell you for tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.